Everything's put back together. I kind of double checked everything, got fluids in it, did that oil change as you've seen in the last video. So now we're at the startup, and hopefully, with any luck, I won't have too much trouble getting it started. It was always such a good starter before, so I'm hoping that it starts up good. I don't know what it'll do. Kind of nervous, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so I noticed we're having a little bit of a sound coming out of the governor housing that I don't remember being there before. So it just ran out of fuel. And I didn't put that, I just let a little bit of fuel in the carburetor to see what would happen. But anyway, that's the first start with the head on it, the replacement head. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Okie dokie, folks. Just a quick thing here. I've been working on this thing most of the afternoon since I shot that clip a little bit ago. Having a lot of trouble with my starter, and I thought I had it fixed with replacing the starter switch. And no, that wasn't the case, unfortunately. So what ended up happening is I found out that the starter needs to be rebuilt. There's a contact on the starter that the switch engages, and that's all wore out, and the switch doesn't quite reach it. So I kind of have a jerry rig now, and it was working just a moment ago. So what I'm going to do is hopefully, this time I just turned on the gas, so it should run out just fine, and then I can run it, get it warmed up, and get that coolant, get some of the air worked out of it, hopefully. And after that I get to take it all back apart, retorque the head down, and put it all back together, and hopefully she'll be good then. But anyway, we're going to start it up hopefully here, if everything goes the way it's supposed to. Okay. So oddly enough, it didn't start. Usually this thing will pop right off. We'll take the choke away and see what happens now. We'll give it a little bit of throttle. Well, folks, it runs. As far as the starter business goes, that's gonna get sent out. I'm gonna have somebody else rebuild it for me. I'm not gonna mess with it. I got too many other projects. I got a wife and a baby to take care of too. So that's not too high on my priority list. So when I get around to getting that pulled out of here, it's getting shipped off to get done. I don't know if I'll take it into town and have them guys do it, or if I'll find somebody else to do it. I have a few other projects I can highlight as I get around to them, but like I said, I got a wife and kid to take care of, so when I get around to them, this project took me 2 months between waiting for parts and getting distracted by the wife and the kids. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and keep your eyes out for more projects. It's getting to be farming season, so hopefully we'll get some planting video and all the rest of that that goes with it.